Take a slow inhale. Let the body settle. And imagine this for one moment. Your balance does not have to fade with age. Your stability does not have to decline. Your steps do not have to feel uncertain. For decades, doctors have observed something subtle yet powerful. People do not lose balance because their legs become weak. They lose balance because the signals between the feet and the brain become quiet. Ancient traditions talked about this as grounding. Modern neuroscience describes it as proprioceptive awareness. Two worlds, one truth. And here is the part many people do not realize. Walking is wonderful. But walking alone does not retrain the inner pathways that keep you steady. Some people think balance declines naturally and cannot be restored. Others feel shifts within minutes when they retrain awareness. Which one do you believe, and why? The fog beneath the body. You step off a curb, and suddenly you are more careful than before. You walk across a dark room, and your legs feel slightly uncertain. You stand up from a chair, and for a brief moment, your body searches for the ground. Not fear, not weakness, just a silent pause, a gap between intention and stability. Scientists call this neural friction. Too many open tabs in the brain, signals not traveling as smoothly as they once did. Some people think this is simply age. Others see it as a message from the nervous system, a message asking to be trained again. Have you felt this sensation yourself, or do you think people exaggerate it? Just notice what your body says. Ancient grounding meets modern neuroscience. Long before research labs existed, monks trained stability through slow walking, rooted standing, and deep awareness of the feet. They believed balance was not a physical act, but a conversation between breath, gravity, and attention. Modern science has a different language, but points to the same idea. The inner ear, the proprioceptors in your feet, and the small stabilizer muscles along your spine send constant signals to your brain to show you where you are in space. With age, these signals become quieter. Not gone, just less clear. Retraining them does not always require intense exercise. Sometimes, simply bringing attention back to the roots of the body can sharpen the map again. Some people trust ancient practices. Others trust data. Which direction feels more convincing to you? You can choose the bridge that speaks to your experience. Simple, visual, true. Here is how balance works, in simple language. Your brain creates a map of your body, a living diagram showing your feet, your hips, your spine. Every step you take updates that map. With age, this map becomes less precise, because the sensory signals from the feet and hips lose intensity. Walking helps circulation and heart health, but it does not rebuild sensory precision. That requires slow awareness, grounding, and gentle activation of the stabilizer system. Think of balance like a tree. The branches are your muscles, but the roots are the sensory pathways in your feet and pelvis. Walking trains the branches. Inner awareness trains the roots. This is what scientists observe, but your experience will be your best teacher. Do you believe inner training can truly change balance? Or do you think only physical exercise works? Your answer matters, because it shapes how your nervous system learns. Sit or stand near a wall. Move slowly. If anything feels uncomfortable, pause and return to natural breathing. This is not medical treatment. This is gentle sensory training to support the nervous system. Comfort is progress. Now we begin. Soften the breath. let the body loosen. Feel the ground beneath you. Shift gently from thinking into sensing. Your awareness is the practice. The earth connection breath. Inhale softly through the nose. Pause. Exhale slowly through the mouth. Bring your attention to the soles of your feet. Feel the subtle pressure beneath your heels, your arches, your toes. Imagine the earth lifting toward you with every inhale. Warm, steady, supportive. This breath reconnects the map between foot and brain. Some people feel nothing at first. Others notice the ground more clearly within minutes. Which one are you? Right side to left side. Shift awareness to your right foot. Feel its weight. Feel its warmth. Move upward. Right ankle, right knee, right hip. Let the awareness settle. Do not force. Just observe. Now shift to your left side. Left foot, left knee, left hip. Notice if one side feels softer or heavier or more stable. There is no correct answer, only information. The balance chamber. Close your eyes gently. Imagine you are standing in a quiet chamber filled with warm, golden light. With each inhale, the light gathers at your feet. With each exhale, it rises slowly through your legs into your spine. Feel the image as if you are inside it. This visualization activates the same neural networks involved in balance control. Not fully, but enough to support retraining. Some people feel the light vividly. Others feel only warmth. Which sensation came first for you? The root pulse. Bring attention to the base of your spine. Inhale slowly. Gently lift the pelvic floor. A small pulse, soft, subtle. Exhale, release. This micro movement awakens the deep stabilizers of the hips and spine, a foundation for balance that both ancient practices and modern therapists acknowledge. Repeat 3 soft pulses. Feel the ground again. Feel your spine rising. Feel your stability returning from inside. 10 minutes from now, your feet feel more awake. Your steps feel more intentional. Your breath feels deeper. Tonight, your nervous system continues reorganizing. Signals become clearer. Balance feels less like effort and more like presence. Tomorrow morning, you may notice something subtle, a quiet steadiness beneath your first step, a soft confidence in your hips and spine. You are not just practicing awareness. You are resetting the system that guides how you move through the world. You are becoming someone who inhabits their body with clarity instead of hesitation. Describe your experience in one word. Calm, warm, unsteady, grounded. Anything. Your one word may be exactly what someone else needs to begin their own practice.